Anyways, let me just move the screen over to the research paper. Yeah, we are going to be reading it in Visual Studio Code and then. Oh, my goodness. It checks. Wait, why is it there two times? Wait, what? Okay, that's sound alert. That's reactive. And that's alert box. Ah, okay. It's also linked to alert boxes. I see. Hmm. Oh my goodness. Where did I remove the chat? Oh, well, that's good. You should not waste your money, especially on my channel, because it's very unreliable. Mm. Okay, let's get started with the research paper. Convolutional Neural Network CNN, the architecture and its application by Joshua Aobami Aini. What the hell is that name? Nigeria. Okay, okay. The human brain is made up of several hundred of billions of interconnected neurons that process information in parallel. Researchers in the field of AI have successfully demonstrated a considerable level of intelligence on chips, and this has been termed neural network. And hence, neural network, neural network, also known as artificial neural network (ANN) or simulated neural network (SNN), are subjects of machine learning, and they are at the heart of deep learning algorithms. These subsets of machine learning have their names and structure derived from human brain and the way that biological neurons signal to one another. A class of neural network that are often used in processing digital data images is convolutional neural network CNN or ConvoNet. Yeah, thank you for that, Lutex. We are just going to be reading this today. The human brain processes a huge amount of information, with each neuron having its own receptive field connected to other neuron in a way that they cover entire visual field, mimicking biological structure, biological technique. Okay, where the neurons only respond to stimuli in restricted region of visual field referred to as receptive field. Each neuron in CNN processes data only in its receptive field. In this review paper, the architecture and application of CNN presented its evolution, concept, approach. Okay, so that's the introduction. That was the abstract. Now this is the introduction part. How big is the research paper? I think okay, it's 9 pages, and we are already done with the half page. Artificial neural networks are often referred to as neural network computing systems for biological neural network on the brain, WANG, node called artificial neural networks. What the heck are you doing? How's the music, by the way? I'm gonna turn it up a bit. Dun, 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 dun. Oh my goodness, what's going on in Discord? Uh, oh yeah, no, it was not a donation. I think I don't know what that's called in Twitch. You do know what ANNs are, right? Yeah, I know what ANNs are. I have made one right here. Oh my goodness. ANN slash MLP. ANNs are artificial neural networks. I read this research paper. Don't mind me. I have read this properly. Dendrites, axons, weight, bias, input, hidden, output. All I have read the whole research paper, And for the proof, I have also made my own artificial neural network. This uses a multi-layer perceptron concept, and all of it is available right over on my GitHub. It's all of it is open source. Yeah, I know what ANN is. Right now, I'm working on a project like this is a large repo. Wait, no. Yeah, as you can see, there are quite a lot of stuff. ANN, autoencoder, CNN, diffusion model, GAN, GNN, RNN, LTSM, GRU, SNN, transformer. So like this is the repo I have set up. I can I provide the link? I think I can give the link right now. Wait, let me grab the link of this repo really quickly. Now, meantime, I'm just gonna move you guys back over to the CNN research paper so you guys can read it. In the meantime, I do that. Where were we? Yep, there we go. Let me just grab a link to the GitHub. Hey,
Hello.
what happened? What happened? What? What did you say, Lutix? Oh, hello. Ah, hello. Hello, it's me, Silo, from Silos of Tech Support. Okay. Now, where was that? Yeah, there we go. Yeah, I have added TTS. Yeah, no, it's not gonna jump scare me if I am reading the chat. Unfortunately, you were a bit off the time. I mean, you were not on the time. I mean, whatever. I don't know what I'm saying. Anyways, link to the project repo. There we go. Highlight. Yeah. Twitch is kind of fun once you have the channel points unlocked. There we go. Okay, that should give people some idea. You guys can find the whole project I'm working on right there. Hey, thank you for the head pat. Thank you, thank you. Wait, is it working? Wait, wait, did the head pat not work? Wait a minute, what? Is the head pad broken? Wait, wait. Now this can't happen to me. I need the head pad working. Item settings, item, scene for hotkeys, head pad select. Okay. Item settings, nope, not that one. Nope. Is it this? Nope. Nope. Wait, what? Oh my goodness, there's nothing in there. Okay. Let me add this. Let's move that there. Select. And wait, how do I save this again? Okay, I don't know how to. Okay, headpad is broken, guys. I need to know how to fix it. Wait, what? Oh my goodness.
Hi, Silo here. Today we are going to talk about CNNs.
Who was that? Wait, I'm trying to just um delete. There we go. I'm trying to fix it. Okay. Okay. Now how do I fix that. My headpad thing is broken. I'm trying to fix it right now. So if you guys can please wait a whole minute. Discord reactive, Twitch settings. Yeah, okay, that's working. Is this for the hotkey? Yeah, this is the hotkey. Yep, okay, it's working. Yeah, there we go. I fixed it. The greatest technician that's ever lived. Okay, so now what's going on in the chat? Let me read. I got channel points unlocked, lol. That's nice. I use all my points, okay. I can refund the headpad once. Yeah, you can refund the headpad. A variant refund the headpad ones because they were broken. And it's not that big of a deal. Oh, okay. Well, how are you even streaming like that? Watching my stream and streaming yourself, huh? Hey yo, Variant, you have contributed 2000 points, sir. That is not allowed. Can you please stop? I don't want to do a dev stream for that. Wait, what was that? Oh, there we go, hit Pat. Ah, yep, yeah. Okay, don't spam it. It's not gonna work if you spam it. He's just gonna spam it. I'm not responsible if you guys break it. Okay. Okay, now what happened now? I'm watching you iPad and live on my PS5. Ah, okay. Maybe we should focus on one thing. Hey, it's Jujutsu Kaisen song. Let me turn up the music for myself. A place to go in dreams. A battle to die now, battle to die now. Never give up yet, don't ever give up yet. Yeah, I like this song so much. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted because of it. Let me turn it down a bit so you guys don't get disturbed. Did you check your posture? Yeah, I checked my posture and I'm sitting straight. Ah, the high performance of visual task, distillation, information. Describe a class of neural network that is often used in processing digital images. A digital image has a grid-like topology, binary representation of visual data. Neural networks are either hardware or software programmed as neurons in human brain. Convolutional linear mathematical operation is employed on CNN instead of general matrix multiplication in one of its layers. Each neuron having its own receptor field connected to other neurons visual field. Okay. Mm. Learn a spatial hierarchy of feature through backpropagation using multiple building blocks such as convolutional layers, pooling layer, and fully connected layers. In the use of emergence of strong deep learning models and have equally transformed into a dominant method in computer vision, dark language. processing, medical research, radiology, and image recognition, reconstruction analysis. Okay. As depicted in figure 1, CNN is made up of four major layers. These are convolutional, rectified linear unit, pooling layer. Okay. So there it is made of four major layers. Convolutional layer, rectified linear unit, and pooling. Wait. Convolutional layer, rectified linear unit, pooling layer, and a fully connected layer. Okay. And output layer. The input and output layer are independent on their own. Okay, so there are six layers in total. Hmm. Yeah, it's saying the CNN is made up of four major layers along with one input and one output layer. So like six layers if you want to go with a minimal design, or else we can have like hundred or tens of hundred of layers as we can see right now. In this line right here, a CNN can have tens or hundreds of layers that each learn to detect different features of an image, with filters applied to each training image at different resolutions. Yeah, I mean, I know what the layers are. It says right here. It says it is convolutional layer, rectified linear layer, unit, or you can say ReLU, ReLU. Then we have a pooling layer, and then we have a fully connected layer, FC1 or FC2, FC3, whatever you call it. You will see it in the image below, which I will show in just a moment. Hmm. This process. Oh, also let me tell you guys the command you can use to play the music in the background. Where was that? Chatbot, I think. Chat commands. Yeah. Oh, wait, what the heck? Thank you for the headpad, Lutix. What was the command again? Yeah, there we go. This is the command. Wait. Okay, guys, that is the command. You can use that to play the songs you guys want to see or hear. I mean, to hear, not see. And I have to approve them so that they can play on stream. Okay, let's put this to the side again. You could redeem points on more view in mobile. Yeah, I saw that. The convolutional layer has just read of image. The part of the image that filter scan over is receptive field, and filter moves right by one unit and it starts the same process again. In this fashion, the convolutional layer reads the image and assigns a number to each unit. This data gets stored in 3D array. In essence, the process function like human brain, receptive field on CNN. Okay. This layer performs a dot product between. Wait. The CNN layer is nucleus or rather a core building block of CNN and carries the main portion of neural network's computational load. And this layer performs a dot product between two matrices. What did you do now? Lutex is doing too many headpads. Where one matrix is set learnable parameters, otherwise known as kernel, and other matrix is restricted portion of receptive field. Also, thank you for headpad Lutex. No, I'm not. That is variant. The kernel is especially smaller than image but in more depth. This means that if the image is composed of three channels RGB, so if the image is a colored image, the depth extends. Wait, what? The kernel height and width will be especially small, but the depth extends in three channels. Ah, okay. Okay, the stream should be stable now. Unfortunately, I was connected to a VPN. I forgot to disconnect from the VPN before I started the stream, so that kind of broke it. And the stream was going so well. Okay, I will have to do that later. I will have to fix it later. Okay. Chat, are we back? Is everyone back again? Okay, I need to fix this. My whole stream broke down because of the goddamn VPN. Guys, give me your attendance if you are still watching. Okay. Okay, there we go. Stream elements had sent a message. We are back up and running. Okay, I will fix that later. And I should remember I don't need to use VPN while I'm streaming for now. According to convolution established top layer of perceptive multilayer deals understand number of pattern. Neuron or kernel on top left corner and image is forms a conclusion array number multipliers array direct number this process. The rectified linear unit, which is next layer of CNN, is responsible for instantiation of the activation function initially set to 0 threshold. Because it is almost all deep CNN or deep learning.
The greatest vtuber that's ever lived.
Very. I need to turn that one down. That was quite loud. Wait, is the music audible? Okay. I think I don't want this music to be playing right now. What the heck is plain? Let me go back. Marshmallow? Yeah, we are gonna play some marshmallow music. Alone, that nothing feels like home, and I am so alone that nothing feels like a home. Okay, this is a threshold operation where negative values are converted to zero. However, input value is important because it does not saturate the gradient. It's always high equal to 1 if neurons activated, and does not include the gradient. Neural network is responsible for. Oh, and then this is the architecture image of the CNN. We have an input image, then we have a convolutional layer plus um, what was the full form of that? Rectified linear unit. I don't know why we are calling it RELU when we can just say RLU. Or is RLU another term? I don't know. Yeah, the stream crashed, but we are back. We are back in business. I was using a VPN, unfortunately, and it was set to UK, United Kingdom for some reason. I don't know why. No, yeah, wait. I was using VPN to open TikTok because it does not work normally. Okay, input layer. Then we have these convolutional plus rectified linear units. Two of those. Then we have max pooling, and then we have other layers. Okay. Okay, so we can have multiple convolutional plus ReLU from what I can tell. Then we have two fully connected layers. Okay. Okay, we can make a. Let's make that for now. We have input plus convolutional operation is equal to output. So input is our image. Convolutional. Okay. Okay. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. We have. Oh, yeah, there we go. So we have our input image in a two-dimensional matrix. Okay, so we are using a 3x3 matrix for that.
What the hell is even that?
Yeah, it's quite a lot of knowledge. I know if your tiny brain cannot understand it. So that is logistic activation, that is ReLU um ReLU what am I saying? And that is the ReLU activation function. It's like a it's like the tan function but rotated 90 degrees. I could be wrong. But that looks like the value of tan. Can I draw on this? No, I cannot draw on this. Hmm. Height, width, and dimension is equal to 3 after we pool it. Okay. Yeah. Okay, then we have the pooling layer. The pooling layer, which is responsible for reducing the size of activation maps, is also referred to as the downsampling layer. By applying filter of size, similar dominant feature or information. Oh, okay. So what this pooling layer is basically doing is it is applying, what was that called? There were two concepts I studied. Uh, no. Yeah, SVD and PCA, singular value decomposition and principal component analysis. So I think that this is applying principal component analysis on all the layers and then only storing the most common ones. Yeah, okay, thank you. Guess who's back to donating? Lutix, that's not how that works. Channel point is basically like you earning points from watching the stream. Yeah, I'm sitting straight. Yeah, thank you for the head pat. Single depth. What the heck is this? Okay, time to lock in. Ah. Okay. So if we have a 4x4 matrix. Oh, I see. It's showing the most dominant feature. What if the matrix was 5x5? How would that be divided? 2 point. I think it would be a 3x3 matrix. Who knows? Hey Junior, welcome to the stream. Nice, but I said basically donation. Yeah, Junior, you are not gonna regret it. You are gonna have to study with me today. I'm gonna teach you how convolutional neural network works in AI, so you can know how to make it yourself instead of just going to ChatGPT and using it. No, we don't use ChatGPT. We run our AI models locally. Oh, that reminds me. I should get Echo. Guys, should I get Echo on the stream? Echo is working, but it's gonna cost quite a lot of system resources to get Echo running. We don't need that. You can also take the average. Wait, even though I don't understand single word, Silo is saying W stream. Oh yeah, Lutix, you are quite young for this. This is like when you get above 18 years old, then you are gonna start to understand this stuff. If you choose engineering, that is. Also lost as Zoro's brain, huh? Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah. I mean, you are right. We are just. No. I mean, we could take the average, but that would not be a good value. No, wait, yeah, that's gonna represent it much more better instead of just taking the highest value, I think. You may be onto something. Okay, a fully connected layer and Lutix again with the head pad. Thank you for the head pad, Lutix. A fully connected layer involves weight bias and nuance. Why is this paper so goddamn glitchy? Okay, so yeah, this should be much more understandable for every single one of us. So we have a beautiful car, and that's HX house in the background. We have his house right there and his car right here. And what the heck is this? Okay, so oh, Okay, so the image is 224 by 224 pixels, and the 3 means that it is in RGB, red, green, blue. I am currently at 80 followers. I think you can see that. Damn it. Okay, then wait, what? Wait, how did we go from 224, 224, 3 to 224, 224, 64? What? Wait, how did we even get to 64? That does not even make any sense. Yeah, okay, this is not making any sense. Hey, Felix, welcome to the stream. And no, I don't stink, you damn it. I'm currently using my laptop for the stream and playing Dragon Ball Legends on mobile. Ah, that's nice. Wait, I should grab some water. My throat is starting to hurt now. It's speaking so much. I will be back in just a moment. Alright, chat, I'm back. Wait, let me close the door. What's going on? Let's see. Yeah. Felix says he's learning how to fold reality. No, Felix, I'm not learning how to fold the reality, goddammit. I'm not Doctor Strange. I could be though. Wait, this stranger has someone. Yeah, no, I'm not doing that. It is also determined by step services included in this article. Yeah, to be honest, I'm not exactly reading every single line because it's kind of confusing. So we are taking an image, then we are passing it through two convolutional layers. Okay. And after we pass it through the two convolutional layers, we are applying pooling to it. Then we shrink it down and we continue until we reach whatever that is. I don't even know how to say it. Okay, so we apply soft max in the end. Okay. Oh, there we go. And that was the end of the goddamn research paper. Now we can go and apply this practically. Now let's see. Okay, so let's do from no wait, no, import source.nn as nn. Okay, then we are gonna do class simple cnn nn dot module. Okay, it's saying all of that, but we are not actually going to follow that. Wait, what are you saying? You need to reach 8.3. Ah, okay. Okay. I guess we are gonna have to attempt to replicate that. Let's do def init underscore underscore. Hmm. Hmm. You know what? Let's make this for. Oh my goodness. Who was that? No, Felix. We are not playing War Thunder right now. Maybe tomorrow. Okay. Then we can do. What can we do? Layers is equal to that. Okay. Give up yet. Oh, we can also do. Oh. Okay, yeah, let's fix that. And here we need to do config dot py or JSON. I think we should do py because that's much easier. Wait, what are you guys even saying? Let me read it. It is a 3D matrix low novel. I don't know what three-dimensional as first to matter. Uh, yeah, I mean this is a basic, so I kind of need to know how the CNN works. So like, we need to make it input and then num layers is equal to 5. Okay, let's do that. Import config, then we can do oh yeah, we need to also do that. Input channel is equal to 3. Output channel. You know what? Let's do it 1. We have 1 input and then we have 1 output. That should work. Or maybe I could use the lower one. Where's the other image? Yeah, there we go. Yeah, I'm drinking water. My throat is hurting though. I don't usually speak this much or like this loud. Wait, what are you saying? Is it that bad? I'm having PTSD from last semester now. I'm gonna sleep. Yeah, you should go and sleep. Bye bye and have a good day. Okay, so what we are going to do is instead of doing out channels, we are going to do config dot hidden channel. And from what I can see, wait, where did I research? Oh yeah, there's the research paper. So we have two convolutional plus ReLU first. Okay. Okay. So we first do two convolutional. Wait, no, wait, what? Wait. So okay, that is convolutional plus ReLU and then convolutional plus ReLU instead of okay that. Okay. Then we have a max pooling. Because I don't think I can make it like this. I think we are going to have to use a sequential instead of this. We need to do self dot sequential is equal to n dot sequential. And then we do that. Then we need to remove all of these. There we go. Okay. So after we do that, then we need to apply max pool nn dot max. Wait, what happened? Why can't I type it? Oh, I forgot to put the comma. What are you doing, guys? A little. Thank you for the headpad Lutix. nn dot. What was that? Max pool 2D, I think. Because after we do a max pool, we wait. What the heck is this? Wait, what's this suggestion? You know, that's not making any sense to me. Okay, so when we do that, then we can reduce the size to half of it. Okay, we can reduce the size by half. So let's do nn dot convolutional 2D. Okay. I don't want it to go to the out channel. Okay. Hmm. Okay, then we need to do another max pool. Hmm. You know what? I'm just gonna ask ChatGPT for a bit of help because it's gonna take me quite a while to make the whole goddamn thing, and I'm getting quite lazy.
Swear you call me in somewhere. Your words have never been so devious. The way you lay your hands on me, connected to your energy. You take me to an open place where nothing is just really solid touch. It's obvious, it's obvious, it's obvious. Swear you call me in somewhere. Your words have never been so devious. The way you lay your hands on me, connected to your energy. You take me to an open place where nothing is fine, I'm staring in the mirror. Spin around like 3 times, each time clearer. Falling into madness, breathing fears. I know that you're near. Tell me why you're here. Tell me why you're Tell me why you're here. I'm fine, I'm staring in the mirror. Spin around like 3 times, each time clearer. Tell me why you're falling into madness, breathing fears. I know that you're near. Tell me why you're here. Tell me why you're here. Tell me why you're here. Falling into madness, breathing fears. Tell me why you're here. I'm fine, I'm staring in the mirror. Spin around like 3 times, each time clearer. Falling into madness, breathing fears.
Trying to find my way back home, saw a face in the mirror. Trying to find my way back to you. Who are we? I'm howling with the ocean now. Who are we? But echoes in a lonely mouth. Before I go, won't you tell me that you need? Tell me that you need.
Oh wait, I was muted. Oh, my bad, my bad. Yeah, I'm here. I'm just working. I was like, are you guys not able to hear me? If you guys don't hear me, just please make sure to tell me that you guys are not able to hear me. No. Oh my god, that orange is so bad. Okay, we're just waiting for a dataset to download or load whatever it's trying to do. Why is it so damn slow though? Ah, it was making it. Okay. Yeah, I know you are not done. Oh,
Won't you tell me that you need, tell me that you need me like I need you. Turn down the lights, turn down the bed, turn down these voices inside my head. Lay down with me, tell me no lies, just hold me close.
nice. My code has exploded.
Don't patronize me. Don't patronize. 'Cause I can't make you love me if you don't. You can't make your heart
Hmm.
feel something it won't.
Okay, why is this happening?
In these final hours, I will lend my heart, and I feel the power, but you won't. No, you won't. 'Cause I can't make you love me if you don't. You can't make your heart feel something
Okay, what's going on?
here in the dark. In these final hours,
Uh-huh.
in my heart, and I feel the power.
Okay, the code has exploded for some reason.
No, you won't. 'Cause I can't make you love me if you don't. If you don't. If you don't. If you
Ah, okay. Well, let's try to do this instead. I think our model is way too complicated.
I really wanted you for life. A bond unbreakable. I tried one more time. One more time. You and I.
Hey.
You'll be
Okay, so if this does not work today, I'm gonna blow up someone. Okay, it's working. Okay, that accuracy is looking quite good. Yes, keep on training. 99%. Yep. Is it overfitting? But I think we want it to overfit. Thank you for the head pat. How many head pat is Lutix gonna use? My GPU is overworking right now. I mean, it can still do much better. But it's trying to do its best. Also, let me check what you are streaming right now. There we go. Okay, we can now make .py. There we go. Paste that in. Hey, it's working. Let's go. It works. It's alive. Oh, okay. What were you streaming though? Hey, it's working. We have our CNN model working. It works. Okay, so the CNN is working now. I can send this to GitHub. Let me just make sure I don't accidentally upload the training data. Okay, yeah, so that has been avoided. Yeah, thank you for the posture check and thank you for the headpad also. Okay, now I can upload this over to GitHub and then we can end the stream. Yeah, thank you for the headpads. I'm going to be ending the stream now. Let me just where's GitHub desktop? Oh, also a new video should be getting uploaded in a few in 10 minutes. There should be a new shorts and a new TikTok. I have scheduled it. Okay, let's upload this. Okay, it has been uploaded over onto the GitHub repo. There we go, it's no longer green. Okay, so now we have finished working on those. Let me just get back here. Okay, yep. Now then, let me open up GitHub. Yeah, where's that? Yeah, there we go. So now we have ANN/MLP and convolutional neural networks working. Now we can move on to this part in the next stream, maybe in the next educational coding stream. We will have to see. Yep, okay, it has been updated. Yeah, okay. We can close all of that up. There we go. Alright, thank you all for joining in. I'm gonna stop the music now. Alright, there we go. Thank you all for joining in. It was fun. We made a working CNN within an hour somehow. I don't know how I was even able to make it today. I thought it was not gonna work at all. So yeah, thank you all for joining in, and I will see you guys later. Bye and have a good day. And be sure to launch your nukes. Alright, where's the ending screen? Yep, there we go. Yep, see ya. I'm gonna play some Roblox. Off my screen, of course. I'm not gonna show Roblox on screen.